Ulrich Haselow, Senior Sales Manager for Pfizer CentreOne, Contract Manufacturing. I think the format was actually easy to use. You had the different elements of the exhibition floor and the chat functions and the meeting functions that worked very well. You could decide who to share the business cards with and accept business cards, and the platform itself was convenient. Yeah. The personal manager was of help, really organizing the meetings, also communicating, let's say, shifts in the meetings, delays, or any changes, and that was helpful. I was especially interested in, let's say, trends in manufacturing. I was very interested to see that there's more and more automation coming to the industry. So that was a little bit sometimes a little bit going beyond my business interests, but it obviously covers also the general industry development, and it was good to listen in, and I still plan to go to the replays. Having the chat function was important for me. Having the card holder was good, so to download the business card details, and the calendar function with the direct links to the different video things was really working well.